Oh my God. It has ano oh. Sa inyo ba may air fryer, loves?
Wala.
Kina auntie.
Wala.
Thank you to admin family for this air fryer.
Pakita mo.
Air fryer.
Salamat po sa inyong regalo.
Hindi ko pa tayong oven. Ayun. May ano pa.
Sa'yo yan eh.
Kaya nga. Hindi ko na-drain eh. Defrost function. Pwede din pa rin defrost. Bowman ring. Uy! Ang nakalagay? To Mark and Sam, congrats on your wedding day. We are so happy that you will fond with each other. Best wishes, Crystal, Jessica, Kimi, Onel, Maris, Nico, Oler, Joel, Chody, Onat, Miriam, Jema, Ruben, Ariel, Kian, and Gerard. Yung ating ano doon? Yung ating cutter. O, ito na lang.
Yan na.
SNR. Sarap mag-unbox pag sa bahay na caravan. Yung kitchen natin, pag nagbayad, ipapagawa ko talaga sa nagagawa ng kitchen, ha? Yung modular, ha? Ayoko nung ganito. So, countertop, ha? Ay! What is this? What is this? Baka mo muna. Right. Shooting me right. Oh, rolling once a day. Not a It's nice. Ay. Ay.
Parehas lang ng may ulas. Yung itsura. Ay.
Thank you to my admin family. Wowers. Dito yan. Wowers. Ganun siya. Oh.
Before using the air fryer for the first time, remove all the packaging materials, labels, and or stickers. Place the air fryer on a stable level heat-resistant surface away from areas that can be damaged by steam, such as walls or cupboards. Remove all detachable parts, air fryer, basket, and tray. Wash the parts in soapy water, then rinse and dry thoroughly. So, hugasan daw muna. Place the air fryer basket and cooking tray back into the appliance. Note, the appliance will not work unless the air fryer basket is properly in place.
Yan, ganito.
So, to eliminate any protective lubricant that may be remaining after production, we recommend operating the air fryer empty for about 15 minutes at maximum temperature. So, ibig sabihin, hugasan muna, then i-maximum temperature mo for 15 minutes.
Hugasan natin.
Hugasan din, ilalagay mo sa maximum temp. Yun daw yung unang-unang gagawin. Para
Huwag
daw
muna natin gawin.
lahat ng para ready for use na swan.
Ito ang
So when
hugasan.
using for the first time, the air fryer may emit an
Hugasan pa?
odor and some smoke due to the protective lubricant being burned off. This is normal and should disappear in a few minutes.
Ayan.
Huhugasan mo daw muna lahat ng parts niya, yung tray, yung ganyan. Tapos, ibalik mong lahat, dapat tuyo. Tapos, i-max temp for 15 minutes.
Hugas na to. Ano naman?
Okay, so first, how to operate. Connect the air fryer to a power source. The unit beeps once. And all the indicator lights on the control panel briefly come on afterwards. Only the on and off key is lit. So, pull the handle to remove the air fryer basket from the unit. Place the ingredients on the air frying tray inside the air fryer basket. Then slide it back into the air fryer. Press on button to turn the unit on. The on key blinks continuously. So the air fryer entered in the standby mode. If there is no operation within 10 minutes after turning it on, press on again to turn the unit on again. Press repeatedly to select a preset cooking program.
Okay na. Ano gagawin?
Maximum.
Maximum.
Ang gagawin mo lang daw munang pipindutin. Pag sinaksak mo, dapat may mag-a-appear dyan.
Oh, ito.
Ito.
Ayan. On.
Okay, so wait lang. Pagkatapos niyan, dapat daw yan magbi-blink
Nag-blink.
continuously.
Ah.
Pagkatapos nun, pwede na daw ilagay sa preset. Para daw malipat mo, pipindutin mo yung 4 na square. Yan yung kanya.
Ito?
Pag pinindot mo.
Ito mo ba?
Yan.
Tapos, 4 na square.
Oo.
Ilan?
Sige, pindutin mo. Ito oh. Yan, mamimili ka kung ano yung ululutuin mo dyan. Kung ba manok, isda. Yan, pipindutin mo ng pipindutin para lilipat
Oo,
na
oo,
lilipat.
Parang
Ngayon, para daw malipat mo yung temperature na gusto mo,
ito, dito.
piliin mo yung may temperature na sign. Tapos kung gusto mong ilipat din yung oras, pipindutin mo yung sa may oras na sign. Yan.
Hindi ito temperature. Ito oras.
So, press on to begin cooking pag nakapili ka na.
Okay na. On. Ito. On. Play. Ito. Okay na. Okay na. Patayin ko na.
15 minutes mo, papaandarin lang.
Oh. Okay na. Nagkukok sa loob.
Umaandar na ba yan?
Hindi pa. On ko pa.
On.
Oh, yan.
Ayan. 15 minutes daw na
Ay, kita sa loob.
max temp.
Ay, max 10. Teka. Ayan, 200.
Ayan. 15 minutes daw. Kaya daw kung may umusok, umaamoy na parang galing sa factory, okay lang daw yun.
Gonna ride.
So once the cooking cycle is complete, the unit beeps 5 times. Tit, 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 tit.
15 minutes lang, di ba? Oh, yan. Ain't gonna ride, shoot me right though.
Using the defrost function, ano ba daw yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung defrost function niya ito. Yung tabi ng anak ko.
Pwede yun yung ating
Pwede na daw mag-defrost.
O, so tatapusin ng 15 minutes?
Oo.
Na walang nakalagay sa loob?
Oo. Yun ang exam, yun ang kwan eh. Para daw, sa paggamit mo sa kwan, okay na yan. Pwede mo nang gamitin diretso. yan daw. Usually pag pork, 180 degrees, 20 minutes.
Ah, 8
Ayan.
degrees. Pag pork, anong pork?
Pork, 180 degrees natin. Air frying tips, cooking smaller items or fewer items will require a slightly shorter cooking time. And larger items will greater number of items. Distribute any oil evenly on food and ingredients to achieve the crispiest results. Most oils can be used. Oil can also be sprayed or brushed onto foods for air frying. For cooked food, like onion rings or breaded food, use an egg wash. Use breadcrumbs rather than liquid-based butters to make sure that butter sticks to the food. Cleaning and maintenance. Oh, ito, importante. Unplug the appliance and allow it to cool down thoroughly before cleaning. Clean all accessories such as cooking tray and air fryer basket using hot water and an abrasive sponge and a mild detergent. Warranty. Oh, yan yung amoy ko.
Ang galing na bumunta sa loob. Kaso wala na siyang light. Matay na yung light niya.
Digital din yan.
Oo. Dito naman yung inaan.
Pinipit ko.
Tsaka yan, oh.
Mas mas din.
Ito.
Ay! Ilaw.
Oo, uminom. Nawawala, tapos umaano.
Diyos maganda to, nakikita mo yung niluluto mo.
Ay, ito hindi. Ito kasi natin yung
Bakit na nasira?
ito. Malis to. Pero malaki to.
Nasira niya? Nasira niya.
Pwede na pa kaya nito sa dating bahay natin.
Ayun yung umay.
Uy, ako na inom.